This practice is perfect to begin your day, or when you feel the need for a midday reset, that you just want to ground down, energize yourself, but also refocus the mind, the body, and the spirit. We will begin in an upright seated position, closing down the eyes so that we can connect to our breath to settle into this place and space. Exhale everything out of the mouth. Take a deep inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale. Deep inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale. Deep inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale. One more time, deep inhale. Hold the breath. And exhale, release, and let go. And gently flicker the eyes open. Come into tabletop. We'll begin with cat-cow, moving with your breath. Closing the eyes to go deep within so that you can ground yourself into this place and space, becoming more focused while you create this new energy flow. Coming to a neutral spine, extend the arms out in front of you, coming into puppy pose. Mindfully and gently stretching into the pose, releasing any tension and tightness in the neck, the shoulders, and the back. Relax into the breath. Gently release the pose. Come back through tabletop. Step your right foot in between the hands, coming into your lunge. And picking what suits you today. Maybe it's a high lunge. Maybe you're keeping your fingertips on the earth beneath you. Can you close down your eyes and feel the stretch? On the next inhale, inhale the arms up. And cactus them open. And then inhaling the arms back up. Or making circles, whatever suits your body for the stretch of this beautiful lunge. Moving with your breath. Maybe the eyes are open, maybe the eyes are closed, taking the focus within. And the next time the arms come down, bring the hands on either side of the right foot. And sit back into your half split. Really release into this half split. Letting go of any tension and tightness while you create a new flow of flexibility. And at the same time, staying focused right here, right now. That's all you have.
this present moment, which is the gift. That's why they call it the present. And then inhale back through lunge and move through tabletop. And as you move through tabletop, if you need to wag your tail or take a couple cat-cows, honoring your body intuition, preparing for the left side. When you're ready, and when that time comes, stepping the left foot in between both hands, moving into your lunge the way that your body intuition is calling. And when you're ready, inhaling the arms high up to the heavens and exhaling into that goalpost pose again, or making big circles. Focusing within and listening to that body intuition of how the stretch is calling you to move in this moment. Make one more big goalpost pose or circle, and the next time the hands come down on either side of the left foot, sit back into your half split. Relax into the half split, letting go at the same time, breathing into the leg to create this open flow. Long, deep breathing. And if you need to exhale out of the mouth to release any tension or tightness or stress, listen to your body, honor it, honor that little intuition. And then coming through the lunge and back through tabletop, make any micro movements that suit you and your body intuition in this moment. And when you're ready, curl the toes under and come back and up into downward dog. Taking a deep inhale and exhale out of the mouth. Do this 2 more times at your own pace. Letting go. At the same time with the deep inhale, creating that flexibility, that expansion, staying focused on this practice. And then gently walk your feet to your hands, bowing forward, maybe taking hold of the elbows, releasing into this forward bend, maybe swaying from side to side. And then inhaling, coming straight up to a lovely posture with the hands high above the head and bringing the hands in prayer pose down the center in front of the heart. Pausing there a moment. And then inhaling the arms down, around, and up. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale to a flat back, and exhale, bow forward again. Stepping the right foot back, coming into this high crescent lunge. Long, deep breathing. And then on the next exhale, moving into Warrior Two. Focusing on the breath. Focusing on how you feel in this posture and using the breath to go deep into the body to create that flexibility and staying focused in the pose. And then on the next exhale, bringing both hands down on either side of the left foot and stepping back into your downward dog. Taking a deep inhale and exhale out of the mouth. Walk your feet to your hands again, bowing forward. And then inhaling, coming straight up. Bringing the hands to touch above. And exhaling, the hands down in the center in front of the heart. And pausing there a moment. And then inhale, the hands down, around, and up again. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Stepping the left foot back, coming into your high crescent lunge. Long, deep breathing. And then on the next exhale, coming into warrior two. Using the breath to stay focused, creating flexibility, lifting your energy. Long, deep breathing. And then exhale, both hands down on either side of the right foot, stepping back into downward dog. And this time, yogi's choice. You can do knees, chest, and chin, or chaturanga, or walk your feet to your hands. Honor your body intuition. And if you're doing chaturanga or knees, chest, and chin, upward dog or cobra, and then coming back into downward dog. And then walking the feet to the hands, bowing forward. And then inhale to rise. Hands meet high above. And exhale the hands down in front of the heart. Doing this one more time on both sides. Inhale the hands down, around, and up. Moving with your breath, exhaling, bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward, stepping the right foot back. Coming into high lunge. Hold the breath for just a couple rounds of deep inhale and exhale. And then exhale into warrior two. Keep that long, deep breathing, staying focused right here, right now. At the same time, lifting your energy with the prana and the movement. And then exhale, both hands down on either side of the left foot. Come through, downward dog. Yogi's choice again to chaturanga, knees, chest, and chin, or just to hold the downward dog. Whatever suits you today in your practice. And then walking the feet, if you haven't already, to meet your hands, bowing forward. And then inhaling to rise. Hands meet high above the head. And exhale the hands down in front of the heart. One more time. Inhale the hands down, around, and up. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Stepping the left foot back and coming into your high lunge. Moving with the breath, staying focused, and allowing the prana to create this new energy in you and through you. And then when you're ready, exhaling into warrior two. Long, deep breathing. Exhaling both hands down on either side of the right foot. Coming through downward dog. Again, yogi's choice. You can stay here, long, deep breathing, or come into your chaturanga or knees, chest, and chin, cobra, upward dog. And meeting back in downward dog. Take one more deep inhale. And exhale out of the mouth. Coming down onto your mat into a seated position. Extending the legs out in front of you. Anchoring the sit bones. The feet are flexed, inhaling the arms high above you. And exhale, just gently bow forward. Tucking the chin into the chest. Allowing the head, the neck, and the shoulders to relax and release. Long, deep breathing. And gently releasing, rolling up one vertebrae at a time. Bending the knees, rolling down onto the mat, onto your back. Hug the knees into the chest. And when you're ready, taking the knees over towards the right into this supine twist. Long, deep breathing, staying focused right here, right now. Using the breath and the prana to fill up the body with this new energy. Inhale the knees back to center. Hug them in if that feels appropriate for you. And when you're ready, exhaling the knees over towards the left. Long, deep, relaxed breathing. Inhaling the knees back to center. Hugging the knees in, maybe rolling back and forth on the lower spine, like a little massage. And finishing our practice with a happy baby. Put a smile on your face. Staying focused right here and right now. Being grateful for the time to practice so that you can enjoy the new energy you just created. Enjoying the reminder to stay right here in this present moment. And then releasing the happy baby and hug the knees into the chest. Rolling over to one side or rolling up on the spine, coming to a seated position. And just taking a moment with the hands in prayer pose in front of the heart. Closing down your eyes, noticing what your energy feels like now compared to the beginning of practice. And with a deep inhale, exhale out of the mouth. And with a big smile on your face, bowing towards one another, namaste.